Decorate my living room with me.
Thinking about
falling, dreaming.
so obsessed with yourself. Maybe you should undress with yourself. Hey, I get a take off for two.
One of my favorite items that's currently on our showroom floor is the Smash Sofa by Vanguard. Some of the reasons I like it are the sleek lines, the comfortability, and the nail texture on the arms. Another one of my favorite items is this Make It Yours console by Vanguard. It's 100% completely customizable. You can choose your door detail, hardware, the legs, the finish, just about anything. And another one of my favorite items, also by Vanguard, is the Calvin chair. It has this really cool notch out in the arms here, and also this leather strapping. They're a really nice size and they're super comfortable.
One of you guys sent me over your office space and asked for some help on how to redesign it, and here's what I came up with.
Hey Drew, my name is Lena, and I could really use your help in our office room. The room itself is kind of weirdly shaped. We have 3 doors and a large window.
I think this is a great space. Look at the view from that window. So going into my thought process here, we're gonna go ahead and move the desk over to the right side of the room with both of the chairs over there. We're going to paint the window trim black, add some brand new curtains, and utilize the left wall for storage. Once that's transformed, it's going to look something like this, which I think turned out incredible. So we have the storage on the left, new curtains, a focal window trim, and the desk on the right side, still giving you perfect amount of space for 2 people to work.